2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener. Come take a test drive today.